So what's happening, UK boosters? Welcome to another video in wet UK. I said that shit. What's happening, UK boosters? So welcome back to another wet video in the UK. Today we're going to be looking more into my dad wagon. I know it isn't the most interesting car, but whatever, it's what I've got to use, whatever. So we're going to be looking more into the straight through exhaust that's on it. It's just virtually, I've still got the pre-cat in it, but at some point I will be getting rid of that, probably a Toyo cat, or probably just bash that cat out. So yeah, it's just from the pre-cat, it's just a full straight 3-inch straight to the back. So I'm going to be doing some revs from behind so you can see what it sounds like, some drives up the road and maybe through a tunnel that's just a bit further down the road. So yeah, let's do this. So what's happening, guys? I've just been on the way to Mickey D's, because even though I haven't got a McDonald's with, I can still go to McDonald's. So yeah, I've just been on my way and then realised that I haven't done an outro, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I've tried to do what I can. As I say, the weather isn't the best, so we might have quite a lot of road noise at some point. I will try get another video next time. Hopefully I'll have a map and a popcorn limiter to make it a bit more interesting. I know that the diesels don't make the best of noise, but they do give out a bit of a grunt. Stop in the car because I can't concentrate. So yeah, that's it. That's the video. I hope you enjoyed it, sort of, in some sort of way. Thank you for the people that are coming back and viewing my video after the 5.5 months that I didn't upload. I think my last video, it's up to 217. The one before that, we're up at near 200. So yeah, I appreciate that, guys. Thank you very much. If you're not following us Instagram, it's at uk.boost. So give that a follow. We will post on there before the uploads for these videos go on. So till next time, guys, see you later. Hope you know what I mean. Turn it off, man. I don't want to see how fat I am.